Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of the modern house. Let's get started. So in the last video, part 2, you were able to add in the second floor with walls, windows, doors. So now we're gonna continue working on this, and we're gonna delete some walls because this is a balcony. We're gonna create another balcony as well here, and we're gonna box this exterior as well. So let's continue with this. I'm gonna use the command SL or split element. Let's cut here, and then let's cut right here as well. We could delete this and delete SL again, split element, and we're gonna cut this area. Like so. So delete this, and then now use TR or trim and extend. We're gonna just do this. And then after this, we're gonna use this exterior wall and then CS for create similar. And let's use finish face interior. And then like this one as well. So the reason I didn't extend this all the way, it's because it's gonna be harder for me to align. So now I'm gonna align or AL. Align this side to this side. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this or drag this. And then after that, you just need to extend this. So we have our windows here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna align this as well. So AL, this to this face. Let's look at it at 3D. So it will look like this. We have our exterior wall. And then we're gonna change this to exterior number 3. So select this, edit type, duplicate, exterior wall number 3. Let's edit this to 300 millimeters, and then OK. And then this one as well. You just need to drop down and then look for exterior number 3. Looking good. Now we need to replicate this one over here. So now let's go back to level 2, and I'm gonna do it right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this, and then I'm gonna copy or create similar this one. I'm going to use align. Let's check this. So around 2000 is enough, or 1500. Let's make it 2000. Use align AL. We also need to split this. So let's split the element. So maybe around here. Let's do it again. Let's trim. And then this one, we have to change it to wall exterior number 3. And then after that, extend this. So after this, we need to add curtain wall. So select that curtain wall and then CS to create similar. And let's add it in the middle. And then go to modify and cut. Select the wall and then the curtain wall. And then after that, you can just drag it to your liking. Let's look at it at 3D. So we will have our balcony. I'm gonna align the height of this curtain wall. So AL. And then AL as well. Press escape. And then now we need to add the floors. So let's go to level 1 first. And then go to architecture. And then floor. Edit type. Duplicate. Let's call this floor 1. Press OK. Edit. Let's change this to 200. So here I'm gonna use rectangle, and I'm gonna click at this point to this point, and then finish. Let's go to level 2. Let's create another floor. Edit type. Duplicate. We'll call it floor number 2. And then press OK. And let's select the boundary. So I'm gonna select similar rectangle. I'm gonna extend this up to here. Like that. I'm gonna select this, pick line. I'm gonna pick my line right here, and then use trim to trim it. And actually we'll have our stairs right here, so we could add a line, something like this. I'm going to use AL, align to this wall, and then TR, trim the lines. Click finish. I'm going to use don't attach, and I'm going to fix that later on. Let's go to 3D. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a roof. So I'll leave it at 500 millimeters. So I'm going to edit this, duplicate, and then call this roof 1. Press OK, edit type 500. OK, and then OK. I'm going to select rectangle. And then I'm going to uncheck this. And I'm going to create it like this for now. Press finish. Let's put it at level 3. And then OK. Look at it at 3D. It will look like this. So I don't like the look of the roof and the wall like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna use this template. So we could go to south elevation and then create a model in place. Let's categorize this as wall. So wall 1. And then let's create an extrusion. Pick a plane. I'm going to choose this plane. And then create a rectangle. Something like this. So now we just need to trim DR. And then delete the remaining lines. Once we're done, click finish. And then let's go to 3D. We can now extend this like so. So this will be the look for this side. So actually I made a mistake. I'm going to edit the extrusion. I'm gonna make this two parts. So let's go back to south, because I'm planning for this side to be taller, so up to level 4, and then it will have its own roof design. So for now, I'm gonna trim this, and then delete. Hit finish. Go to 3D. In order for us to see it better, I'm gonna move it all the way out, like that. And then I'm gonna create a C roof right here as well. So let's finish this, save the project, and then let's go back to south elevation. I'm gonna delete this wall for now. And then go back to model in place, and then another wall. This one will be only for this side. Use trim TR, and then delete it afterwards, the remaining lines. Click finish, and then go to 3D for the extrusion. So it will look like this. Click finish. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to level 2 and delete the walls that we created. AL to align. I'm gonna align this to the extruded part. Remember, we deleted the walls that we created here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to modify and cut, select this wall, and then this curtain wall. But I want to see this. I'm gonna delete this roof as well. And let's edit the floor. Edit boundary, and just delete this, and then use TR trim command, and then finish. So it's looking good. Just make sure that this is not going over. So let's stop our video right here and let's continue it on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.